What is that noise? Is it the tooth fairy?
George, can you hear something?
Anyone here? The little piggies are asleep, and so are the big piggies. The sleepy princess was so sleepy, she had fallen fast asleep.
Thank you for that story, King Daddy.
You're welcome.
Daddy Pig, you should. Pig can hear you.
Daddy Pig and Uncle Pig have fallen asleep.
You can tell they are brothers.
Daddy! We forgot Daddy!
Oh, yes, we forgot Daddy.
Mamá Cerdita y Papá Cerdito todavía están dormidos.
¡Despierten! ¡Es mi cumpleaños! ¡Despierten!
Good night, Peppa and George. Sleep well.
It is bedtime for Peppa and George. And it looks as if it is bedtime for Mummy and Daddy too. It is morning.
Mamá y Papá Pig aún están durmiendo.
Mr. Zebra's song has sent everyone to sleep.
Well, I'm going...
I can hear snoring.
At last, Peppa and George are asleep.
And then they all lived happily ever after. The end.
Peppa? George?
Shush! Mummy is asleep.
It looks like Princess Peppa is the best at telling bedtime stories.
That's right. I am. Granny! Granny!
Peppa and George are asleep after their first day on holiday with Kylie Kangaroo.
Mostly sleeping, I think.
Peppa loves the Adventure Caravan. Everybody loves the Adventure Caravan.
Piece of cake.
If that's all you have to do, taking care of a baby is easy.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
It works, Grandpa. George, I think he's asleep. Maybe we should take him to his crib. Sleep tight. Yay, it worked! Baby Alexander's asleep.
La verdad, que es muy perezoso, ¿verdad?